How to install ML.NET Model Builder. Learn how to install ML.NET Model Builder to add machine learning to your .NET applications. Model Builder is currently in preview. Prerequisites. Visual Studio 2017 version 15.9.12 or later, Visual Studio 2019. .NET Core 2.1 SDK or later. .NET Core 3.0 SDK is not currently supported. Limitations. ML.NET Model Builder extension currently only works on Visual Studio on Windows. Training dataset limit of 1 GB. SQL Server has a limit of 100,000 rows for training. Microsoft SQL Server Data Tools for Visual Studio 2017 is not supported. Install. ML.NET Model Builder can be installed either through the Visual Studio Marketplace or from within Visual Studio. Visual Studio 2019. On the menu bar, select Extensions, Manage Extensions. Inside the Extension and Updates prompt, select the Online node. Type 1050.NET Model Builder into the search bar. Select ML.NET Model Builder Preview. Follow the prompts to complete the installation.